Hello everyone. Today I'm going to guide you through changing an address on the LogiFire 118 panel. Let's get started. First, enter the panel menu. You'll want to navigate to System, then Programming, followed by Devices, Addressing, and finally, Change Address. Here you'll see the device type, current address loop, and new address options. To change the address, use the plus button to scroll to the address you want to modify. Once you've selected the desired address, go to the new address option. You can either use the plus button to scroll to the required address, or press the actual number and enter the new address directly. If the new address is available, the Save tab will be selectable. Simply hit Save to confirm the change. A quick note, if the new address has been previously used, you won't get the option to save it. This prevents creating duplicate addresses. And that's it. Changing address on the LogiFire 118 panel is straightforward and easy. Thanks for watching. Happy programming.